Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix outgoing call problem in Motorola G77 Power. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.